Morning, Chica. Morning. Morning, Chica. Hello everyone, I am back again with another video. Please don't be scared of my look. I just woke up. It's around 9:30 in the morning and it's Friday. It's the weekend for us here. So I was thinking, because I saw this news last night from the US, and there were Trump supporters who are trying to go do some rally about them protesting against a possible, what do you call this, extension of their government mandate to stay at home. And I saw this lady commenting. She was interviewed and she was commenting that she can't even go to her hairdresser for a touch-up. So that was freaking hilarious and absurd, but so that inspired me to do this video. I'll just have an early start today on a Friday. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna color my hair. Haven't had my hair colored for the last maybe 4 years, especially after my cancer scare. So, and I'm not sure if it's safe to do so, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You have to live dangerously. And since I have nothing to do this weekend, so I'm gonna get my hair done by myself. So when I went to Korea in January, I bought this hair color from Daiso. I'm sure we all know what Daiso is. It's like a Japanese store that sells all this makeup, accessories, home supplies, just anything under the sun that are really cute. So I went to Korea and I bought this. It's like around 1,500 won, so that's like 3 dirhams, or around $1. So I have searched on YouTube if anyone had done a review on this, and I really can't find any videos of this hair dye. So let's cross our fingers it will turn out fine. But as I've said, we have to live dangerously sometimes. So I'm gonna put this in my hair today and see how it goes. I'm not sure what the color is. It's like reddish, and it says it's all in Korean, so it's hard. I don't know how to read the instructions, but there are some drawings here at the back on if you can see that. No, it's blurry on how to do it. So it has 2 sachets, and I think this is it says oxidizing agent, and this is the hair dye. So you have to mix this. There's some space here where this hair dye can transfer to this side, but just to be more safe, I'm gonna open this both and then just put it or mix it in this bowl. So let's see how it goes. I've prepared, I've worn an old shirt that is okay to be stained. I've got my towel here, so let's place that, and then I've got some combs, I've got brush for mixing and applying, maybe the hair dye, and okay, wait, I'll get the comb. No, it's fine. And I got some gloves here. I'm only gonna use one because, you know, we're saving gloves during this time because we can't go out without wearing one. And these are cleaning gloves. I don't have the surgical gloves or the medical gloves in the house, so I'm only using this. And then then let's start mixing. Okay, so I'll cut it. And then bubbles. Let's mix it. Not much in here, and I hope my hair will be fully covered with this small amount. Okay, I think I've got it all out. So where's my brush? Here. That's all I've got. I don't think it's enough, but let's see. So let's start mixing. Now the smell is getting stronger. And let's see how this goes. Oh, I've got this. I don't have the Vaseline, so I'm gonna put this on my forehead so the dye won't stain on my skin. This is a lip balm, coconut one. Hopefully I don't get a reaction to this. It's minty also, so it's gonna be cool to the skin. Kids, please don't do this at home. I'm gonna leave it on for like maybe 30 minutes. That should be enough, right? Okay, I got that covered. I think it's dark brown. So I've got it all mixed up. Now let's start. My hair is growing. I've got some underside shave here and it's growing. So I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna comb my hair. I washed my hair yesterday morning. So kind of greasy, so let's just part it like this, and then okay, I'm gonna look here so I can see myself doing this. So maybe I'll dip it in. Okay, here it goes. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna move elsewhere in the bathroom and apply this. Oh my god, it stinks. It stinks and it stinks. Okay, I have to do this properly, so I'm gonna be back. I'll see you when I've put everything in on my hair. Bye. I'm back. So this is how it looks. It's foamy. And actually, this isn't as strong as any hair dyes I've used before. It still has a good fragrance on it. It doesn't sting my eyes, but it stained my skin. So let's just hope. I think it's gonna be this color. So let's hope this turns out well. It's almost 10, so I'm gonna wash this off maybe around 10:30, or should I wait some more? Maybe make it an hour. No, it's gonna be too long, right? Okay, so I'll just keep on massaging this. I'm excited. If you can't tell. So I'll see you again once I'm done. I'll wash it off after 30 minutes and maybe just take a shower as well. So I'll see you guys again. So it's been 45 minutes. I'm here in my bathroom. I'm gonna wash it off. I don't think it made any difference. I think it's the same color, or it got darker. My hair got darker. But let's see. Chica, please leave me alone. Okay, so I'm gonna wash it off and use this conditioner. Okay, water is cleared and yeah, condition and shower. So I'll see you. And I'm back. So we've showered and I think I left a few stains here on my forehead, but I don't think it worked. So it's reveal time. My hair isn't any lighter. Oh, there are some stains on my scalp. Okay, let's see if we dry this out and let's see if we've got some color in. But I don't think so, because my hair had really grown very black or dark after the chemo. This is the regrowth and it's turned really black, and I think my hair dye adventure failed. But let's see if it's, once it's dry, if it got some color on it. So my hair is dry and this is how it's looking. It didn't work. Epic fail. Hair coloring, not good for my hair. I think it even got darker, but it's looking healthy. It's so soft. So that was my adventure, trying to color my hair on this weekend. And see, you can do this at home. You can order some hair color. You don't have to go out. Maybe most salons are even closed, so try to stay at home. You can do it by yourself. There are a lot of YouTube videos on how to do it. And just stay safe, everyone. So until my next video, I don't know what to post next, but let's see. This is the result of my hair coloring experience at home. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Bye.